It's that time again for another episode of Blueprint to Broadcast. In today's episode, we're talking about the importance of efficiency. Did you know your transmitter isn't just broadcasting signals? It could be driving your biggest operating expense. That's right. You see, running a transmitter site means paying for spectrum compliance, rent, technical expertise, as well as maintenance. But the biggest cost by far is in the electricity cost to power your transmitter and cool it. In fact, in the US, energy prices were steady at about 13 cents per kilowatt for many years. But since 2021, they've spiked and they've stayed unpredictable. And that's why efficiency matters now more than ever. So let's look into the numbers. In the 90s, transmitters were under 15% efficiency. But by 2015, our Rohde amplifier technology brought solid-state systems into the 40% range. And with today's TE1 transmitter, well, we're hitting 50% efficiency, which is fantastic. A 300% improvement in over just 2 decades. So how do we calculate efficiency compared to others? Well, we keep it simple and honest. If a transmitter consumes 100 kilowatts of AC power and delivers 50 kilowatts of RF output, that's 50 divided by 100, or 50% efficiency. And we include everything in our calculations: the pumps, the amplifiers, the fans, all the components you're paying to run. Others usually leave these things out, but we believe if you're built for it, it belongs in the calculation. And here's the key: we document it on every installation, and alongside efficiency, we verify system signal quality, because efficiency without a usable, reliable signal is meaningless. Our goal is both maximum efficiency and maximum quality. That efficiency directly impacts cooling. You see, other hybrid systems, well, they dump a lot of hot air in the room, forcing HVAC systems to work overtime, but our liquid-cooled transmitters can cut HVAC demand down to just 5% of total site power. Quieter, cooler, and far more reliable. And here's the kicker: your electricity bill, well, it isn't always straightforward. We looked at a Chicago site where they assumed they were paying $1.74 per kilowatt hour, but the real rate was 6 cents. On Long Island, the rates swing from 17 to 23 cents depending on the season. But every percentage of efficiency means thousands and thousands of dollars in annual savings. And power companies, well, they sometimes offer rebates for going with more efficient equipment. In fact, one of our customers recently received a $50,000 check from the utility company after they upgraded to our liquid-cooled transmitters. So the next time you think about replacement, don't just ask, is my transmitter still working? Ask, how much is it costing me to keep it running? The smartest broadcasters are cutting the biggest expense, which is energy. And if you want more information on this topic, watch our webinar, which covers real customer power savings calculations. Or you can reach out to our team at any time and we'll calculate your cost savings by comparing your current equipment to our latest TE1 liquid-cooled transmitters. The numbers might surprise you and the savings could power your future. You see, at Rohde & Schwarz, we deliver a long-term commitment and exceptional support. From hands-on transmitter training to cutting-edge monitoring, Rohde & Schwarz is your partner for broadcast excellence.